Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shilpa Sangpal, practicing dermatologist in Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. Today I just want to discuss about the hair problems. As most of our OPD patients, almost 75% to 80% patients, they are complaining of the hair fall and hair thinning. Of course, this is mainly because of the lifestyle which is changing day by day. The lot of junk food the people they are having instead of having the nutritious foods, and about the bad hairstyling processes which are nowadays very common. So most of the time, female and the male both are facing hair fall problem. Apart from that, male most of the time they are facing the androgenic alopecia, which is most of the time is the thinning of the hair, which is which is appearing because of the hormonal changes. This is happening mostly after the age of 20 or 25, but nowadays because of the changing lifestyle, even before at a very early age also, the male patients they are experiencing hair thinning problem, and even in the female it is also very common. The most common causes of hair fall is the stress factor, then vitamin deficiencies, deficiency in the protein in the diet, changing lifestyle, bad hair habits, or you can say the bad hair processing procedures in the parlor activities. Because of this, and most of the time it is because of the hormonal changes, like you can say the polycystic ovarian disease in the female, or thyroid in both male and female. And there are a lot of factors which we need to find out with the blood test also, like hemoglobin. If the hemoglobin is less, then also the hair fall problem is there. In such patient, we advise most of the time the oral and the topical procedure medications. Along with that, if anybody is requiring the procedures, we advise that also according to the patient's need. So roughly we can go through the what are the medications required for the hair fall problem. Of course, the hair is made up of the keratin, so it is deficient. If it is deficient of the protein diet, the hair fall is going to be there. So we need to include the protein in our diet, which should be like amino, the essential amino acids should be there. So we usually prescribe the tablets which containing the essential amino acids, the biotin and other ingredients also, like calcium, vitamin D3, then iron is there. So all this mixture of the tablets we need to give. Apart from that, if more thinning is there in the most of the time in the male, we need to advise the finasteride, which is preventing the further thinning. Then talking about the topical medication, of course the minoxidil is the most prior medication as a first line therapy. In female we usually advise 2%, but in some larger extent involvement we advise even the 5% also. On the contrary, in the male pattern hair loss, we usually start with the 5% minoxidil and even more than that. Sometimes we add the topically, the combinations are also there, the minoxidil plus finasteride is also there. Then apart from that, we need to advise the shampoo which is a sulfate free, paraben free, which can prevent the further hair loss and it will protect your hair. Whenever we are starting the minoxidil, we need to continue for a longer run, as these minoxidil they are pushing your hair from the shedding phase to the growing phase. So for that process it will requiring much more time. We advise patient not to wash their hair with a very hot water. They can wash their hair with a lukewarm water or a cold water depending upon their choice. They should not comb their hair immediately after washing hair, because that time the hair are more brittle. If even they want to comb, they can comb with a white toothed comb. Apart from that, there are many procedures we are doing for the hair fall treatment, like PRP, which is a platelet rich plasma therapy. And of course, whoever is having extensive hair loss or extensive baldness is there, hair transplant is the best procedure option in those patients. We will be discussing more about all these things in our further videos. Thank you.
To book an appointment with a cosmetologist or a dermatologist in your area, please visit www.skinandhairacademy.in.